At Sigma, we understand how important your photographic equipment is. That's why we offer a dedicated UK-based service and repair centre for Sigma cameras and lenses. Our factory-trained technicians use custom-built equipment and 100% new and original replacement parts to get your Sigma product performing just like the day you bought it. You can use our online repair portal to view our technicians' remarks, give us the go-ahead to start work, and track the progress of your repair. And thanks to our fast turnaround time and next-day return courier service, you'll be back to taking photos in no time. Sigma, outstanding service for outstanding products.